Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin update for Saturday 22 of October. Bitcoin is trading at 19,155. Alright, so we saw a drop down wick to the downside, and Bitcoin has just been consolidating for a very long time now, between 20,000 and 18,000. Now we're finally trying to break above this resistance line, and it seems like you're trying to just do that. Possibly there could be chances of winning that opportunity and then move to the upside again. And if you move up, you're gonna hit your head at 19,825, as there's big resistance right over there as well. So this is a box that I want to see have a clear break. Okay, that's the box right there, because ever since you started up here, the prices went down, got rejected, the prices went up, got rejected here, the prices nearly went down again, the buyer stepped in, came up here, the seller stepped in, came down there again, and the seller took, the buyers took control, and again here the buyers are taking control. So if you continue the same consolidation, we might be looking for that push up to 20,479. So which makes it pretty clear that if you go up to 20,400 or 300 again, that shows that you're breaking out of that huge trend line. And if you try to break above this area and you come back for the retest as well, then it's clear that the buyers are going to push the prices higher from there to there, and we could be looking for Bitcoin to move up to 22,668, and that's where you have another area of supply zone, or you can say a resistance right over there. So yeah, it's all about breaking at this particular range, but let's say you do break to the downside as well, right? Because you can break to the downside. So the latter is going to be that you take the top to the bottom right there and you break out of here. So that's going to be 16,932. So which side is it going to be? We don't know, but consolidation is there. It's boring. It's really boring. You're going to see 1% pump of Bitcoin. People are going to be bullish, 1% dump of Bitcoin, and people are suddenly bearish. So it's stressful, and psychologically it's just designed to be stressful and chop the traders actually. So I don't like to trade in a consolidation. I like a clear break, a clear retest, not wicks. This was a wick, this was a wick as well. We've never really won the battle against the wicks as well. So let's see how you behave in here. Now this can take as long as it wants to take. You can just continue like this sideways for like forever until you don't really break out of a certain area. So wake me up if Bitcoin goes to 20,600, and wake me up if Bitcoin decides to go to 18,000 or maybe 17,500. That's where we're gonna have a certain clear direction. So if anyone is in the stop, I would actually think and realize that 18,094 is a good stop loss, because if you try to take that zone out, then you're looking for the next zone, which is going to be 17,582, or maybe if you want to give it a little bit of a room, the last week, which is 17,500. That's the best area for a stop loss. Take this one, and it's clear, it's really clear that you're going to lose the consolidation box. You're going to take out the last low, and it just shows that the market is willing to drop even more further down, which is my take personally. But let's see if you can continue sideways and try to break above this box right there. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.